I don't think that DiCaprio will win the Oscar this weekend. I believe that Michael B. Jordan has a better shot of winning over DiCaprio and Chalamet. But we don't have the time of birth for the other two nominees, Ethan Hawke and Wagner Moura. This is DiCaprio's D1 natal chart in Vedic astrology with the transits that will occur by the end of the ceremony this weekend. Jupiter is currently transiting the 10th house of career in DiCaprio's D1 natal chart. However, since he's a Virgo rising and so is Michael B. Jordan, that means Jupiter is also transiting the 10th house of career in Michael's chart. In Chalamet's D1 natal chart, Jupiter is currently transiting the 11th house, which is still a great house for Jupiter to transit, especially for financial gains and your career, but it's not as powerful as when it's transiting the 10th house. In DiCaprio's D1 natal chart, his natal Jupiter is in the 6th house in Aquarius. And on the night of the Oscars, transiting Mars, Mercury retrograde, and Rahu, the North Node, will all be conjunct his natal Jupiter. But in Michael B. Jordan's D1 natal chart, his natal Jupiter is in the 7th house in Pisces, which is a much stronger placement than DiCaprio's, because not only is Jupiter in an angular house, but it's also in its own sign. And on the night of the Oscars, transiting Sun will be exactly conjunct his natal Jupiter, which means that he has a very promising chance of winning the Oscar. In Chalamet's D1 natal chart, his natal Jupiter is in the 5th house in Sagittarius, which is also a great placement because Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter, so it's in its own sign. But on the night of the Oscars this weekend, no planets will be conjunct his natal Jupiter. In fact, transiting Neptune up here, can I get there? Sorry. Transiting Neptune is currently and will be on the night of the Oscars squaring his natal Jupiter, which will set him up for disappointment. His idealism will not match reality. Plus, in Michael B. Jordan's D1 natal chart, his 10th house lord of career is Mercury, which is in the 6th house in Aquarius. And on the night of the Oscars, transiting Mercury will be conjunct his natal Mercury. It also doesn't matter that Mercury is retrograde because Mercury was retrograde when Michael won the actor award on March 1st.